What's up? My name is Michael, and in this video I want to tell you what a programming language is and what a programming language is not. First, let me give some example of programming language. A programming language is like Python, Ruby, Java, JavaScript, C and C Sharp, and C++. But take note, HTML is not a programming language. It's a markup language. Plus CSS also is not a programming language. It's a styling language. It's like a cascading style sheet. That's been of the CSS. Okay, so let's go into the meaning of programming. Hey, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe. It's the ultimate to create more videos. Let's do this.
A program is a set of step-by-step instructions that directs the computer to do the tasks you want it to do and produce the result you want. Even a calculator is a program that was set to do calculations, or the games we play or the apps we use on our phones are written to carry out a specific task. Computer programming is the process of telling the computer to do certain things by giving it instructions. These instructions are called programs. The instructions come in different languages and they are called programming language.
Hey, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do. What are you waiting for? Just click the red button underneath the video.
Computer programs or software are what make computer work. Without software, modern computers are just complicated machines for turning electricity into it. It's software on your computer that runs your operating system, browser, emails, games, movie players, just about everything. Now, what is Python? No, we're not talking about that. No, not that. We are talking about the programming language Python. Let me tell you about it. We are talking about Python. It's an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation. Its language construct as well as its object-oriented approach aims to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. That is Python we are talking about. Python was created on February 20th, 1991, 30 years ago, by Godel Van Rossum. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflow. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. What is Python used for? Web development, server-side, software development, mathematics, system scripting, data science, and many others. Why Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming language. Python syntax compared to other programming language. Python was designed for readability and has some similarity to the English language, with influence from Mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages, which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation using white space to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this. Python data types. Python has different data types. We have int, variable, float, and complex, and boolean. Variables in Python. A variable can have a short name like a, y, or x, descriptive or a more descriptive name like age, car name, total volume. There are rules in creating a variable. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. A single or double quote string variable can be declared either by using a single or double quote, which means when you want to write a variable, you have to put it and close it in a single or a double quotation mark. Python is case sensitive. A capital letter John or a small letter John is totally different from each other. You can leave a comment in your code by using the hash. Python indentation refers to the space at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming language the indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code.